free.
This is all free? Okay. All right, let's go check this one out. Seems decent. Looks maybe like it could be good. Pretty nice house.
Do you want the, do you want this?
Does it come with that?
Yeah, it comes with this.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I just set it in the corner
make
while I
a
look
pile.
around?
Yeah,
Great,
yeah.
thank you.
It's crowded in here. I don't want to move anything outside yet. It's too wet. Because it's too wet.
Yeah.
And it's still kind of wiggly.
Do you have any video game stuff or?
I don't.
No? Okay,
Yes.
no problem.
I have DVDs and I actually have CDs that I haven't brought out.
Yep, okay. Grab this. There. Oops.
All that stuff over there is free.
This is all free? Okay.
Yeah, there's
Sweet, look at that.
Wait, Mom, where do I put this one?
See where that man is right there? Looking at those bags, all those are free.
So, just stick it
Just
on
lay it
there.
on top of those.
Wait, no. Why can't I just like stick it? Okay, that's fine.
Is the skateboard free too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the, yeah, that still has all your clothes in it.
All right. So I'm gonna get these two things here. So I owe you $4.
Okay.
Two.
Sure you don't want to take a bag with you?
I got one bag. Oops.
Oh, good.
I got one bag from you,
Oh,
so
good. All right,
there's four
awesome.
for you. Thank you.
All right,
Appreciate
awesome.
it.
Thank you.
Can't go wrong with this. This is a free bag. This is a Swiss Army bag. It's in good condition too. Absolutely free. Sweet score there. I also got this skateboard. I don't know if this is anything good or not, but figured for free. What the heck? Pick it up. She had a lot of toy stuff and it had all been opened. A lot of it was like decent stuff, but I mean, a lot of the boxes were in terrible condition. The chances that some of the stuff was going to be complete in box, probably next to nothing. So I left a lot of it behind. There was a Lego set there that looked good and I pulled it out and it was all like destroyed, the box and everything. I'm like, oh, I'm not dealing with that. Her free pile was decent. She had, I got that skateboard and that bag. So her free pile was decent. I was surprised. She also had a bike there, which I almost grabbed because Pam and I have been wanting to get bikes to bike behind our house. We have trails behind our house. I almost grabbed that, but I was like, I'll just get a new bike. It'll be easier because who knows if it's free, especially the bike's probably rough. On to the next one. All right, smaller sale, but we'll see how it looks. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, good, how are you?
Good. Kind of chilly out this morning.
I know.
Man.
Kind of yucky. You're braving it.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Why not, right?
Yeah. How much are your games?
Most of that stuff is $1 or $2.
Okay. I might get this one here.
Couple bucks.
$2? Okay.
Yeah. Kind of fun.
Yeah. Is this new? This is new, huh?
Yeah, we never really used it. It's kind of fun for the kids, you know. Kind of cute.
Did you take 3 on it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I owe you 5.
All right.
$5.
Oh,
There you go.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, have a great great day.
You too. Good luck with your the rest of your sale.
Hey.
Thank you. Whole box. Heather, how much for the whole box? How much are your walkie-talkies?
Harry, walkie-talkie box.
$2? Okay.
If you buy those for 10, I'll give it to you.
Sorry.
You're welcome.
How much is this thing?
$5.
$5?
It
Okay.
works.
Okay.
You might need a cleaning,
Yep.
maybe some vinegar through it. It's been used a couple of times.
Okay. Not a problem. All right. I got these two things. She told me 5 on this.
Okay.
And then you told me 2 on those, right? Okay. Great. There's 5, 6, 7. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Is it a personal body cam?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, very
Yeah, I'm going to garage sales and stuff. So, Thrift Mine if you want to check it out.
Thrift Mine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very
Check
good.
it out. You have a good day.
You too.
Man, that garage sale was crowded. I got there right when it started. It's 9 o'clock and it started at 9, so I got there right when they opened. And I could barely move in there. I was getting claustrophobic. Just a little tiny garage and they had everything crammed in there. There wasn't a whole lot to pick through, but I found a few things. All right, so we're here in the kitchen. We have a package. We have some fan mail.
I got a package.
We got a package from Don. Don is a great viewer of the channel, really nice guy. He recently bought something out of our eBay store and then he sent us a package in return. So we're gonna open it up right now on camera, see what he sent us.
He's one of my people, so it's what he sent me.
Okay,
Maybe Kimber.
here we go.
It's heavy too.
It is heavy.
What's this?
My God. Oh wow.
I don't know what it is.
American
Values.
Certificate of Authenticity. Whoa!
Oh, that's
Holy
so cool.
crap.
Even though it's my package, I guess you can play with it.
That is so cool. Look at these knives. Liberty enlightening the world.
Oh, look at this.
Sick.
It's another one.
American
Oh,
values.
this
knife.
one. Oh, sorry. This one has the wood.
What?
Looks like wood. Rustic. That's so me. I'm gonna shank
Steel Warrior.
you later. Maybe I shouldn't say that out loud.
That is sick.
Oh, this one's I think it's double or triple. Ah!
Don, this is insane. What?
What's
These are
this?
so cool.
Oh!
That's like petrified wood, I think.
Yeah.
Steel Warrior.
It's good to have friends in high places, Ryan. Maybe you should get some friends. That
Whoa, he
one's
sent us
wicked
some
pretty.
eBay tape.
Whoa!
That'll come
You
in
love
handy.
it. What's
and he
that?
sent us little thank you stickers for
Oh.
orders.
Thank you.
This is so cool. This is the coolest package ever, Don.
Oh, this is definitely you.
No.
I'm just kidding.
What is that?
Oh, look, it's a
Whoa.
flip-flop,
Let's
too.
open it. Let's open it.
They're keychains, I think. The stiletto. He needed the knife. That's why he gave you the knife. It's keychain, right? Oh my
Yeah.
God, that's sick. You know what this is?
There's
This
a little
is
purse one.
this is my Saturday night outfit,
Oh, there's
actually.
one more. There's the flip-flop one.
And that is my day after work shoe. Oh, that is so cool.
What?
That looks like yours.
Oh, no way.
That must be a you thing.
Okay, so what do we got in this box? We got a Miller Lite bottle opener. That is awesome.
Which will come in handy
that'll
probably
come in handy with my Bud
as
Light.
soon as that's gone.
Gotta get some Miller Lite.
Do it. What is
What
it?
is this?
I want to know.
This is like Christmas.
Christmas and what month are we in?
know.
Actually, it's your birthday coming up this week. Maybe that's
It
not.
is. Perfect timing, huh? Whoa.
Whoa. Oh. What is it? Who's
150th.
on it?
It looks like, hold on, I gotta pull this out.
Is it a stopwatch?
Yeah, I gotta pull that out so I can open it. There we go. What? American Civil War. It's a Civil War
Oh.
stopwatch. That is sick.
And it's running.
Yeah,
It works.
it works. No way. This
Maybe
is insane.
he knows you like history. 150. That is awesome.
So cool.
Too
Don,
bad
you're
you
the man.
couldn't grow a beard like them.
You did not have to do this, Don. Wow.
That is awesome.
Okay, all right.
You're gonna have to put that on our thing. Have it open
Yeah,
and like have it on the
hanging in the
shelf.
room. Yeah, we'll do that
Yeah.
for sure. That is awesome.
That
All right,
is
open that. Open the last. Looks like there's one more thing. I'll let you do that.
Thanks for the permission. I don't want to hurt it. It could be Kimber in here. What's this? What's this? What? No!
What is
this
it?
Mine.
What is it?
It's cheese!
What?
Wisconsin cheese!
That's nuts.
No way! Ah, thank
What?
you so much. I love food. Wait. Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
When they play tomorrow, I want to eat this cheese.
Look at these. These are cheese curds.
What's a cheese
We can't.
curd?
I don't know. Well, that's what cheese curds are. We can't get these here.
What is this?
What the?
Cheddar cheese
This is
from
so cool.
Wisconsin.
That's awesome.
This is the home of the Packers. No, seriously, you need to figure out, like, give me some cheese dip out of this or figure out what to make.
That's awesome.
I don't want to try to cook it because
These. Oh, this is amazing.
Can you just eat this like itself? Colby.
Yeah, it's Colby. It's Colby Jack probably, or just Colby, I guess.
I need to eat this.
I can smell it. It smells so good.
Oh, I can smell it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do we have crackers
Look at all
like
this
now?
stuff. Look at all these knickknacks.
You know, Dad's home. I'll have to give him some of it. Oh, I'm so excited.
What?
I can't smell this one as good. Oh, I'm
Awesome.
so pumped. Thank you
Awesome.
so much.
Thank you, Dawn. We really appreciate that. You didn't have to do that. That is amazing.
Cheese and then knives to cut the cheese.
Yeah,
Even
I know.
though
We got knives to cut the cheese.
You have no issue with cutting cheese.
That's awesome.
Oh
Thank
my
you very
gosh.
much, Dawn. We
I
really
don't-
do appreciate it.
I gotta find my phone to figure out a recipe to do for like cheese.
Hannah's all excited. You made her night.
Where's my phone, Kimber? No, I don't want